Update video on soldier nodes. Just took some profits. Check this out. We just hit an all-time high of above $9. All right. So I actually just woke up to this beautiful news. Since I saw we broke the all-time high, I figured that this was going to correct. So I went ahead and took profits. You can watch my other videos if you're not familiar with this. So right here are my 10 nodes, and each node produces one soldier a day. So I've let this accrue for 3 days. So I had 3 soldiers for each node, right? And remember, I got in early on this project. I created these nodes, and then I took my initial investment out because the price of the token went up. So everything you see here is all profit. I have zero investment in this right now. So since I saw this all-time high this morning, I went ahead and I claimed all of these. It still says claim, but I already did it. I pushed this button here all the way down and I claimed. And then when I claimed, I simply went to Trader Joe and I typed in the token address right here. I have I see I have zero now, and I swapped. So let me see about the transaction here. This is the transaction. All right, I just did this. So here you see I swapped 40 soldiers because I got 10 armies, 3 per army. That's 30. And I had 10 tokens prior that was profit as well that I was holding on to until the price went up. I swapped for $303. All right, so that's not bad, $300. Woke up to $300 this morning. But remember, this is going to produce every single day. So these 10 nodes are going to produce one more soldier a day. And at the current price of $7.96, and it could still continue to rise, which is no big deal. But like I said, it's all profit, and my nodes are going to continue producing. So actually, it's 802 now. 802 times 10 a day equals $80 a day. Times 7 days equals $565 a week. Not bad. Times 4 weeks, 2,262 a month. Now, this project is still early, I believe. This is crypto, so anything can happen. There's no guarantees at all. But, I mean, I'm very, very happy with this investment. And the point of this was to show people that you don't need a lot of money. When I first got in on this, it was a brand new project. There was no telling if it was a rug pull or it was a scam or if it was going to be a legit project. But it's turned out to be a legit project. This is a ring fork. And as I said, you buy soldiers. Soldiers are 807 right now. 10 soldiers, which would be about $80, would create one army, and one army produces one soldier a day. So you're basically looking at a 10% return on your investment daily. That is massive. A 10% return on your investment daily. We could see here. I don't recall when I first got in. I know it was in this area somewhere. May have even been over here. And this thing took off. It hit this $8 here. Came back down to 2. So in the last couple dollars, it's 4x'd. It went from 2 to 9. And I've been making videos about this. So those of you that got in on this, you probably made some little profits. And the thing is, I mean, 3 days ago, this thing was $2. Watch this. I'm going to show you something really crazy now. $2 times 10, it would be $20 for an army, right? Times 100 would be $2,000, right? For 100 armies. So if you would have invested $2,000 right here at the bottom, which I really kind of wish I would have invested some more down here, that would be 100 armies times 812 right now a day equals $812 a day. Okay? So you see what's possible with this? I may begin to compound rather than take profits. But yep, I hope you got value out of this video. Like the video, comment on the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you can make plays like this. You can easily compare this to Strong Block or something else. Strong Block is $4,500 to invest right now, and you get 1% a day. And I'm not saying Strong Block is a bad investment. A lot of people are making good money with it over time. But this right here, you can literally make 10% a day, not including the fluctuation of the price, which is likely to go up. Now, understand people are going to take profits now that it's up here. All right, but this is a play to earn project, and it's innovative, so it's a little bit different than the other ring forks. But like I said, compared to strong block needing basically 5 grand to get in and make 1% a day, you can get in on this with $80, okay, and make 10% within 24 hours. So really knowing about good projects, and like I said, this can go to zero. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm just presenting something that I'm investing in. I'm not telling you to invest in it. Just want to help anybody any way I can. Hope you guys like the content. Thanks for the love. The channel is growing. This thing's about to explode. And like I said, subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can get timely videos. Because look, guys, timing is everything. All right, you could invest a fourth of your money that you would invest right now up here, down here. I made videos about this over here. So you could have caught this, boom, hit right there, took some profit, let it drop, get back in for a fourth of the price, hit again, boom, another 4x. All right, let it correct, get back in, boom, you see the pattern. All right, so God bless y'all till the next one. Peace.